Hi guys, in this class we will discuss about MySQLi order by keyword. How you can use an order by keyword in MySQLi query. We can sort records ascending descending order. It have ascending order by default. So if you want to get a record in a ascending or descending order, we use order by command. On the basis of any column we can provide. By default it display record ascending. So its syntax is that select and then column name you can select, all column you can also select, and specific column you can also select. From this table name, order by this keyword you have to use order by any column. So on the basis of that column, record will be displayed in ascending order. For ascending order, by default it will be ascending. You can see that same syntax. Select column, one column you can also select, or multiple column or all column you can also select. From any table name you can mention here, order by any column. For example, student marks, student ID. On the basis of that column, record will be displayed in the ascending order. For descending order, just you have to put here dash. So when you mention this keyword, record will be in the descending order on the basis of this column. So different example, ascending order by default. This is the query. Select all from MySQLi table name, order by ST name. On the basis of this column, record will be displayed in the form of ascending order, and then run that query. And then what you have to do, because you want to display all the record, that is why we will use a while loop, and then that object will be converted to array. And using array, what we have to do, we can access their key and we will get value std name, same like std marks. This record will be displayed to user. You can also access more column name, for example their id, city, more column you can also access. So this is the query that is used to access a record from a database table. Order by std means in ascending order you will get record. So for descending order, what you have to do, same, everything is same, just you have to put dash keyword. When you mention here dash keyword, all the record will be displayed in descending order on the basis of std name. Same, everything is same, so record will be displayed in the form of descending order. Now I open Visual Studio Code and understand this type of query. In a Visual Studio Code, just create a new file and save this file. This is a chapter number 7, order by .php, and then what, copy and paste here. And then what you have to do, you have to change its title, order by MySQLi. Now this is a information about our connection to database, and then this type of query I want to remove, and then select all from MySQLi where std marks. I did not want to use a where class. Then I want to use here a order by this column std name. On the basis of this column, record will be displayed in the form of ascending order, and then run that query. It will return a object. Then what you have to do, you have to use a while loop, because all the record we want to display, and then convert to into array, associative array. And then you know that in an associative array we use a key to get its value. This is the key, and we will get its value. Now run this file, make duplication, order by. Now just I have to remove this line break, and then refresh this one, and this is the one record I want. This should be on the new line, that is why refresh this one, record is displaying here in the form of ascending. When I did not mention this order by keyword, just select all from my std table. When refresh, you will see that John, Patrick, and here is Ali. This should be at first record, but it is in the between. Now this is the advantage of using order by command. Order by std name. On the basis of name, record will be displayed in the form of ascending order. When I refresh, you can see that record is displaying in the ascending form. When I want this should be in the form of descending, then I will write this keyword dash, means descending, and refresh. You can see that now record is in the form of descending order. On the basis of any other column, I can also, for example, std on the basis of this column, record will be in the form of descending order. And refresh, you can see that I have to display that id also. I want to display id should be displayed to user id, and then refresh. You can see that 19, 18. Now if I remove here, record will be displayed in the form of ascending 10, 11, 12. On the basis of any other column, you can also display, for example, marks. On the basis of marks, order by std marks, and then refresh. You can see that 44, 45, 77, 90. So in the form of ascending order, record is displaying. Now if you want record should be displayed in the descending order, just use dash keyword and refresh. You can see that 3299 and up to lowest. So this is the query that used to retrieve record from the database table in different order, ascending or descending order according to given column.